Hi all. So today I'm going to show you guys how to launch a grid trading bot in Cryptnex app. So of course, first we launch the app. Right. So we go under this trade tab below here. You can see these are the available coins for you to trade. There are a lot of coins that you can trade in Cryptnex. All right. Or you can use this tab here. Okay, let's say I want to search for XRP. Okay. So I'll select XRP. All right, it will show you this. Click on this create a bot below. Okay, today we are going to create grid trading bot. Please select. All right, so you will come first to the AI strategy page. So you can see here the default price range is set for you already 0.31 up to 0.53. Profit per grid is 1.23, which is for 38 grids. Right, if let's say you're okay with these settings, what you need to do is you just key in your minimum amount. So some coins minimum amount is 10, some is 15, so it depends on the coin, right? It shows you here your max investment is 570 here, right? So if let's say you're okay with this trading plan and this your max investment here, just click on the create button. Okay, after you click create, you will come to this page for your confirmation. Okay, this page shows you that your coin is XRP. Your initial investment is 270 over 570 allocation. Means the coins will actually the bot will actually buy this initial allocation first of 47%. So for example, this whole thing is your grid of 38 grids, right? So it will buy 38% first. So probably here is around 38 divided by 2, around 19 to 20 grids first, okay, which of the price of 270, right? Your price range around 0.31 up to 0.53, okay? Profit per grid is 1.23, amount per grid is 15 USD, right? So if you're okay with this, you can just click the confirm and the bot will start. But if let's say you want to play around again a bit with the parameters, for example, let's go back here. Okay, what you can do is with these parameters, you can actually copy parameters to manual, right? So here you have manual controls of this from your lower limit range to your upper limit range, how many grids you want to invest, and the profit per grid. Okay, and your minimum amount again here. Okay, if let's say now price XRP price is at 0.41. Okay, let's say I want to play safer a bit. I can probably set the upper limit price range to just 0.45, right? So you see when you change this, the profit per grid will actually update as well. Earlier was 1.23%, right? So now the profit per grid is 0.77%. Means when the price from the grid up 0.77%, it will already take profit instead of waiting it to go to 1.23%. All right. Okay, let's say if you're okay with this, you can just click again your minimum amount and then you click create. You see what happens here. Okay. All right, you see, because you set your upper range to lower already. So that means now your initial investment is lower now at 135 USD over 570 USD. Okay, so you can see the correspondent here when your from 0.41 to 0.45 is about 23.7% in the area, the range area, right? And then from 0.41 to you can check here, right? From 0.41 to 0.31, the range is about 50. It's about 76.3% of your investment, right? So that means here your initial investment, if let's say 138 for 38 grids, so that means the initial allocation, the bot will buy probably 9 to 10 grids first, which is at the cost of 135 USDT. Right, so let's go back and play again with some of the toggles. If let's say my grids, I want to increase it more, I have more funds lah. Let's say I put it to 50. Okay, so you see when I put it to 50, my max investment increased some more to 750 USDT, right? Okay, let's say but you see the profit per grid is 0.53, means when the price bounce 0.53 from the grid, the bot already take profits. It's very fast, right? So actually this profit per grid, the smaller you put, actually is faster to take profit, right? Okay, let's say if I set my grid to just probably I want to play just 10 grids. And then you see your max investment has been reduced to 150 USDT only, right? But your profit per grid is from your grid, you have to be up 3.86%, then only the bot will take profit. Okay, can understand, right? So if let's say you're okay with this, for example, we can just still click on this advanced settings here. It actually shows you the some more optional settings like your trigger price, stop loss price, close bot price, and your cooldown time price. Let's say now the price of XRP is at 0.41. I want to set it lower for my trigger price. I can set my trigger price at 0. Let's say, for example, 0.38%. Right. Okay. And then I click the create. Right, so I look at this. All right, so my trigger price now is 0.38. I'm playing 10 grids now. Okay, my initial investment is 75 USDT over 150 USDT. So if I'm okay with this, I can just click confirm and it will start the bot. Right, just wait for a while for the bot to initialize. All right, so now the trading bot has started, right? But why do you see that it's still at zero position and all these are still in zero and your max investment is written here 150 USDT? So it's still zero here is because you can always toggle the detail here. Okay, because I set my trigger price to 0.38. So only when the price dropped from 0.41 up to 0.38, then only it will trigger the buy price. Okay, right. So this is today I will end my session of my grid trading bot here. So I hope it helps you guys to do your trading plan. So it's all up to how much you want to invest in one trading plan, and then you set the grid trading bot to help you execute your plan. Thank you.